Today, I'm just going to test this. We're going to test this. This is the Nova Pro Wireless. Nova Pro Wireless Steelseries. These are the white versions, as you see. So you see the NEC bump's more shorter.
It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Now then, that's just a sound test using my Galaxy Buds2 Pros 360 audio. If you take this side off, there's your USB cable. Let me just make sure my PlayStation stays up, and take this side off. You got your battery over there that way, and I think it goes something like that. Just the net sticks on. That's it right there. So tell me how you feel. Tell me how you think. Just test the music on it.
Gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through if you believe it.
There you go. Tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel. Peace out.